International Unity Cup presented.
We're here at the Talon Energy Stadium. It is October 13th, 2018, and here is Miranda Alexander to talk about why she's here.
Hi, I'm here volunteering today in this capacity for the last 2 years. I had a booth last year and I was in the stadium the year before, the first year. But I'm here because I'm an immigrant from the Caribbean and I represent one of the 52 countries. We are not playing here Trinidad and Tobago this year, but we participating because of the championship game between Liberia and Ivory Coast. So we're cheering for Liberia and we're cheering for Ivory Coast. And I'm a part of the Mayor's Commission on African and Caribbean Immigrant Affairs, and they're a part of us and we're a part of them. And so it's very important for us as Philadelphians to be proud of our immigrant community. It makes our communities very diverse and very much acculturated in so many ways. The Mayor's Unity Cup is about really the sporting event, the soccer, and soccer is very important for us all over the world. So I think we scored really a good goal when it came to using soccer for arts and culture and immigration and making sure that people feel very welcome in the city of Philadelphia. So thank you so much.
Okay,
Enjoy.
That's Miranda Alexander right here in Talon Energy Stadium, waiting for the final of the Philadelphia Unity Cup, and here we have the flags. Liberia versus Cote d'Ivoire. Susanna J. Dodgson, October 13th, 2018, Chester, Pennsylvania.